Welcome to the next episode. Isn't that Dr. Dre?
True.
Next episode? Yeah. Well, this ain't Dr. Dre, Slex Wild. But a lot of questions that we get is, one of the main ones I'll say is, does airsoft hurt? And I'm gonna quickly answer that and say, yes, it does hurt. But there's more to the video than that answer, because it does and it doesn't. It matters about a couple different things, about how close you are, what weight BBs are being used, and everything like that. So today we're gonna go through a progression, looking at some pistols, looking at some rifles, testing it on some paper targets, on some fruit, and then on a human target to determine and to show you why airsoft is an awesome sport, but answering the age-old question, does airsoft hurt? First of all, airsoft, why does airsoft hurt originally? Because it hurts your wallet, because you do keep wanting to spend on all these cool airsoft guns. But two things are gonna affect why an airsoft gun hurts. One's gonna be the feet per second, and one's going to be the weight of a BB. All airsoft BBs are the same diameter, but the heavier weight BBs are gonna have a little bit more force up close. They're gonna hurt a lot more than, let's say, a lighter 20-gram BB. So that's why you see in most CQB fields, there's a limit on the weight of BB up to 30 to 32-gram BBs. But mainly, the main thing that's going to affect your hurtfulness is going to be the feet per second. And that's why today we're gonna go outside and test some pistols out versus rifles, because the pistols will shoot a little bit less FPS, but the rifles will shoot a little bit more, so we're gonna see what the difference is between the two. It's snowing outside, okay, Mariah? How much money do you think Mariah Carey makes on Christmas, on royalty rights? Should I come with my own music video? All I want, I don't want. I'll be the opposite, the the antithesis, antithesis. It's like a antithesis.
All I want to give.
Don't want for Chris. What I don't want for Valentine's Day is you. There you go. Okay.
You should tell your ex-girlfriend.
Who's gonna be our test target today?
I don't know. Mike.
We're going to use you as a test target today to show the impact of an airsoft BB, okay?
You said that last time you shot me.
I just make you feel a little bit, okay? Okay? I'm making you feel. It's called emotion, okay? All right, let's go get these guns ready. When you go out to the club. All right.
Lightning McQueen. Gotta focus you before you start doing all this crazy.
I'm gonna be on Melon Magazine. That's a shot right there. Guys, I'm gonna be on Melon Insider Magazine. It's snowing out.
Oh, you got your wish.
Yeah, I did. Oh. I don't want to kill people.
John's running around. He's gone. He was just checking out the weather.
Who's that?
I don't know, John. That's what we're gonna call him.
Oh, there we go. Cardboard. All right, so we got a paper target, okay? This is gonna go through paper. 360 FPS, 32-gram BBs, right through some paper. Of course. Oh, John's over there. We can't shoot John.
John, get out of the way. John, why are you jogging in the snow? John's gone.
John's gone. All right, ready? Semi. Okay, little full auto burst. Let's go look real quick. All right, not full penetration, but some decent penetration. So if you're a cardboard box, airsoft's really gonna hurt. Really, really hurt. All right, let's go shoot this melon though. If you're a rhinoceros, this resembles your skin. Let's see how this KWA hurts rhinoceros skin. 25 feet, okay?
No cheating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 25.
Okay, I gotta flip my sights up though, because I have a horrible aim. Let's just see. Oop, a little low. Okay. That did some damage. Let's go look. So it does a little bit to melon at 25 feet. That's why it's gonna hurt, okay? But the good news is your skin's stronger than melon like this, okay? This melon's weak, okay? But let's go, we're not gonna shoot our human target quite yet. I got a mag for that. Let's go look at the Glock and see what that does to the paper and then to the melon, okay? We'll leave this here. I should leave this here though, because remember what happens?
No.
I get melon on my gun. Yeah. All right, the good news is, look at this. Got it right in my pocket. Glock 18C, baby. Let's see what it does to the paper. Private. I only travel private. All right. Look Okay.
Woo!
Fast. All right. So these shoot about 330 feet per second, so a little bit less, but you still get penetration on the cardboard, okay? So it's gonna hurt a little bit, okay? Let's go see what this does to a watermelon. We're not gonna use semi, we're just gonna use full. All right, so 25 feet. Flip the melon around. I should probably move my T6, but I'm not going to.
You trust your aim?
Nope. Kind of like me on prom night. Really quick and unable to finish. All right, see, this one shot a lower FPS, so the melon didn't do too much. It just kind of, grazed the surface. The reason why the T6 damaged the melon this much is the full auto, okay? The full auto, this can only hold about 50 BBs, that can hold 120. Gas guns have a little bit of a cooldown, so they're not gonna shoot hot when you shoot in rapid succession. So if you're gonna shoot an airsoft gun and you have a cantaloupe, the pistol is not going to damage it as much as the rifle, especially with lower FPS. But let's go after the best prey of all, the elusive human, okay? And let's go see how both these shoot into a human wearing normal, I would say normal airsoft gear. It's going to be like a sweatshirt, okay? And you're gonna see it's not gonna affect them, it's gonna dissipate the heat. They're gonna go, oh, it stings a little bit. That's all they're gonna do. Pikachu. I'm gonna shoot him, And then the elbow. He's not gonna hear him. It's gonna be right in the elbow. It's gonna sting more, don't worry about it. Alright, he's finishing up something. This is the wild prey. It's a wild prey. This is Steve Irwin's Wild Exotic Park. Humans edition. Okay, let's go. You know what you do? Walk down this way, Mike. Walk down this way, and I'll just shoot you when I feel like it. Okay? How about this? Okay, so semi, I'm not gonna do a full auto. Full auto is gonna hurt a lot, but semi is gonna not hurt him much. Okay, let's see, just walking, minding his own business. Let's see, jacket. Ooh, does it hurt? Does it hurt? No. All right, you want it to hurt? All right, now we're gonna test, see? He's wearing a jacket, okay? That's why in the winter you guys complain why you can't call your hits. Well, that's a jacket. All right, we're gonna try the KWA T6, right to the back, okay? I told him I wouldn't hit him in the butt, but luckily my aim's not that good. Okay, ready? How does it feel? See, he barely feels it. So is airsoft safe? Yes. Okay. You're done. Experiment over. Experiment over. Thank you. Thank you for participating. All right, let's go blow up this melon. I got all these BBs. Thank you. Thank you. I got BBs. Let me go blow up this melon.
Give the camera one. Yeah, one.
Okay. All right.
We'll
let's go
both
blow
go
up some
crazy.
BBs.
Is this on full auto?
Yeah. Oh no, is it? No, it's not semi. Here.
Flip it over for me. Thanks, buddy. John, watch out for Johnny. John smoking cigarettes all day.
All right, let's move the melon.
Yeah. Strapped and loaded.
Sure you are.
GTA style.
You're gonna get recoil.
Yeah.
Put your goggles down. So now we've gone and shot these and seen how they, these airsoft guns affect paper, a cantaloupe, and a human being. A lot of people ask, well, what hurts more, airsoft or paintball? So we look at a paintball gun, okay? Paintball gun's got a bigger barrel on it. It's got a bigger ball. The bigger ball is going less feet per second. Typical paintball goes about 280 feet per second, where typical airsoft goes 400 feet per second. However, the ball is a lot bigger coming out of a paintball. So when you go play airsoft, you're gonna end up with some marks on you. If you're over 50 feet, those marks are gonna be very light in an airsoft. With paintball though, that ball is so large that you're gonna end up with a lot of bruising and just a lot of bruising, whereas an airsoft BB is gonna more give you like a red little spot. So in that case, from farther away, airsoft is safer, but we recommend that when you're up close, the airsoft BBs are really, really tiny and they'll get right between your skin there. So we recommend covering up more so than, let's say, paintball. But paintball is gonna hurt a lot more. It's gonna leave more of a mark than your typical airsoft gun. So here's a quick clip right now showing a point blank shot of an airsoft BB versus a paintball, a 50 cal paintball that I tested on myself. So there's always the age-old question, what hurts more, airsoft or paintball? Well, today we're gonna look at a paintball pistol versus an airsoft pistol and see what it does to that dummy and maybe some human flesh. So my dummy Fred over there, I hate him. He's done some things to me, stole my girl. So I got this nice, awesome high kappa, and we're gonna see what it does to Fred's face, even when it's protected. So as you can see, this airsoft pistol did nothing to Fred because he was wearing a mask. But let's see when the man behind the mask loses that mask. Let's see what this awesome high cap can do to his face. All right, Fred, you have no mask to protect you now, baby. Shoot that mustache right off. Baby, Fred is dead. Let's see what the damage does to Fred. So as you see here, Fred already had some damage, but we shot Fred's mustache off because I hate Fred. Let's see what a paintball will do to Fred's pretty face. First with a mask on, and then without a mask. Now we have this Valken TR50 50 cal paintball pistol. Let's see what it does to Fred with a visor. As you can see, more damage to Fred, more power. So as you've seen, the paintballs do a lot more damage with Fred with the mask, but let's see how it does and how much damage it does with Fred not wearing it. I really don't like Fred, and neither did the paintballs because they ripped Fred a new eye hole. That's why paintball is more dangerous and hurts more than an airsoft BB, but that's not it. So if you think Fred's gonna have all the fun, I'm gonna have a little fun too. Lightweight. As you can see, up close, a little bit of an indent, very minimal damage, and a perfect circle thanks to my Acetech blaster. So as you see, the airsoft developed a blood blister, did not break the skin, perfectly safe. Let's see what this 50 cal paintball does to my arm. I'm already very nervous. I've seen what it can do to some cardboard. Let's go. Yes. So, Slex Wild here doing the experiments that you've been asking. Does airsoft hurt more than paintball? No. Paintball hurts a hell of a lot more and leaves a nastier, more painful mark that makes me bleed. So remember, don't play paintball, kids. Do airsoft, have fun, and don't be like Slex Wild. And shop at mirrortactical.com. Yeah, when watermelon owes you money, or a melon. Go.
It's squash now, baby.
So should you watch this video to completion, you might win something awesome. I haven't even decided what it is, but if you find the magic leprechaun jumping around in this video at some point, I might give you something. First one that comments, subscribes, and flies on that jet up there will win. So make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, and choose Mirror Tactical. I only eat the rind because it's fibrous. Who won? Well, I'm Howie Mandel, and deal or no deal, Curtis, We can tell who has a fetish over cases, weird random cases, and peepees. Right here, Curtis Newenham wins our awesome PP2K. Get your Russian on, bad boy. Now back to the video.